everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing haul. I have a few products that I've been dying to open. I have a package from Morphe, I have some lashes, and I've been waiting to open this on camera so that I could do it all together. And I'm actually gonna try the lashes on. I didn't apply any today when I did my makeup so that I could do a first impressions on these lashes. So if you want to see what I got, please keep watching.
I'ma ride it till it's over.
Okay, let's start with the Morphe package. I've been dying to open this because I wanted to do it on camera and kind of show you. So I almost forgot what I purchased. That was some stuff falling off of my vanity. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the two brushes that I got first. I bought two eyeshadow blending brushes, and I really didn't do any research about who uses what brushes. I know there's plenty of YouTubers out there that I follow that have their favorite eyeshadow brushes by Morphe. I just kind of was picking online what I thought would work best. So this is the M533, and it is a big fluffy blending brush for eyeshadow. It's funny because the bristles actually look like purple. I don't have one like this. So my blending brush that I use all the time is this one. And so this new one is a little skinnier and a little longer. So that will be good. And the second one is the MB46. So this is the black collection. So this part right here is black instead of silver, as you can see. So it looks really cool. And it's funny, these bristles look green. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's not gonna focus on that. Anyway, that's funny, one are purple, one's green. So this is a very little tapered crease brush. So if I wanted to do something dark in the corner, this would be perfect for it. It seems pretty dense. So it's similar to this e.l.f. brush that I've been using. And this one, oh my god, it's so dirty. This one is way shorter, more dense. So this one will probably be a little better for blending out. I could pack the color on with this and then blend it out with this new one. So I'm excited to try these. I will be using these in my next video. So I am just gonna go in. This first color that I'm about to open is Breakfast at Tiffaneez. Tiffaneez is spelled kind of funny. It's N-E-E-Z at the end. So this is just a really pretty Tiffany blue. Oh. So this is very light. This would be really pretty to blend out something else. It's not as pigmented as I would like it to be. It's not gonna go on straight this color if you were to just pack it on, but I think it's still really pretty and I could definitely make it work for something. This shade is Redhead, and some of these colors looked a little different online, so that kind of sucks, but this is Redhead. Actually, on camera it looks amazing. It doesn't really look that bright in person. It kind of looks more of a dull red. That is Redhead. So, I mean, I know that red is one of the hardest eyeshadows to formulate. So it's red, but it kind of looks more like a strawberry pink to me, but I still don't have anything like this, so that's awesome. It's just a really vibrant orange, which was really cool. I do have something similar in an old Morphe palette, but that palette is destroyed and I'm getting low on this. This is a pretty similar color, but I definitely needed a new one. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Flame. That one looks really pretty. It's definitely just how it looks in the pan. Vibrant orange. Excited about that one. Next shadow we have is Orchid. Now this is just a beautiful, this does look like how it looked online. This is bright, bright pink. So I'm excited to do some really cool eyeshadow looks with these last three colors, with that red, the orange, and this pink. So hopefully this swatches as pretty as it looks. Oh, it is. That's gonna be awesome. So these three shades, I think like my next video, I'll do a look with all three of those. I've been dying to get like some reds and pinks because I don't have anything like it, and I've been seeing all these awesome looks online, and I'm like, ugh, I can't even recreate that because I don't have those colors. Yeah, they were $2.50. All these shades were $2.50 on Morphe. So that's amazing. $2.50, and you can get a shade that you've been dying to have without having to buy a whole palette. Now, I don't remember like picking this shade out, but I love it. I'm thinking I thought it was more pink or something because I have a lot of purples, but this shade looks very pretty. I'm not complaining. Ooh, it doesn't swatch the greatest. So it's similar to that like Tiffaneeze blue, where it's not as pigmented as it is in the pan, but it's still a really pretty color, and I think I can make it work. This is like such a terrible way to swatch. Like, I don't know how to show you my hand correctly. I need to start swatching this way. It's pretty, but it's not as vibrant as the pink above it. I don't know if you can see. It's definitely lighter, but it would be pretty to like blend colors out with that. Not complaining. I'll still use it. And it's a really pretty brown. And I remember these next two, I was like deciding maybe I should just get one, but they looked a little different. So the color I was looking for was, I'll do this on the back of my hand, was a like taupey brown, which this looks perfect. The last shade is called Candybloom. And it's another, this is more purple than the last one. The last one was definitely more brown, but they're very similar. I'm excited to try them. So this was the Candybloom, and then this is Bridesmaid. So they're both really pretty. I could honestly probably mix them together to get like the perfect shade that I'm looking for. Those are gonna be nice. Yay! So these are all the shades that I got, plus this this Tiffaneeze blue one. Oh, they honestly look so good, like lined up together. I didn't even realize that I had gotten like colors that all matched. But I'm excited to try some new looks with these. I can't wait. Okay, so I got some lashes from Lilly Lashes, and I have not tried these, I don't think. If I did, it was a long time ago and I don't remember. And I'm gonna try them on with this eye look that I'm wearing. Okay. So it comes with this cute little card, and it says, "Hey girl." It's talking about a rewards program. I don't really care. Okay, here they are. So these, this style is called Diamonds, and it was more of like a natural look. Like they have really pretty dramatic ones, which if I do like these, I will go back and get like some dramatic ones. But I really wanted like a natural lash that kind of gave you that effect that you have your lashes like you have extensions. But I don't want to get extensions because I do my makeup so often that I feel like they would get in the way, and with doing wing liner, I just don't think it would be good for me. So I wanted some lashes that were gonna give me that like natural extension look, but with a strip lash. They are so beautiful. So they're very long and just very natural, which I'm so excited about. What I do like is that they kind of taper in on either side, so that's nice. But I am probably gonna have to trim them, and so I'm gonna have to trim the longer side, so it's not gonna be tapered anymore. You know what? I might be able to get away with not trimming just because I have such big eyes that I think these would be perfect. I do like they're very like curved, which is nice. Sometimes lashes are like kind of more straight and they're harder to put on. Like the corners won't go down because it's like not curving with your actual eye. So this is like very easy. And the band is so small, so it's easy to hide. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. I think these were a little cheaper. Let's see if I have a... Yeah, these were only $19.99. And some of them are like 30 or like 25, 30. So these are the cheaper ones. And I was like, if I don't like them, at least I didn't spend $30. So they're longer, like right in the center, which is nice. They're beautiful. I love them so much. I hope that on camera is like doing them justice of how good they look. Wow, I'm so happy I could cry. I also got a new sponge from TJ Maxx. This one has a flat end, which I'll just take it out of the package, you can't really see it. This is by Beauty Concepts, BC. They actually carry a lot of Beauty Concept stuff at TJ Maxx. And this sponge was $3.99. So I love these ones that are flat on this side so that you can like really pat down like your under eyes, and then it has the tapered side to like get into corners or wherever. I'm sure I've used this brand before. Right now I'm using one and I don't remember the brand, but it's from TJ Maxx as well, and I actually did not like this one. It's you can't, I mean, there's like, it's wet now because I just did my makeup, but it's like too hard. Hopefully this one is better. I'll keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm about to till it's over.